Hello everyone! Today we have some groundbreaking news to share with you. Stability AI has just launched their latest innovation, the Stable Video Diffusion, an open AI video model, and we've got all the details for you right here. But before we dive into the specifics, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest AI advancements. Alright, let's get started. So, what exactly is Stable Video Diffusion? Well, it's a state-of-the-art generative AI video model developed by Stability AI. This model takes the concept of their successful Stable Diffusion text-to-image model and applies it to video generation. The result? A groundbreaking technology that allows for the creation of stunning videos by animating existing images. Now, what sets Stable Video Diffusion apart from other video generating models out there? A recent article on TechCrunch highlights that Stability AI is one of the few companies offering a video generating model in open source as well as commercially. This means that developers and creators have access to this powerful tool for a wide range of applications. However, it's important to note that Stable Video Diffusion is currently in a research preview stage. This means that there are certain terms of use that users must agree to in order to run the model. Stability AI has outlined the intended applications, such as educational or creative tools, design, and other artistic processes. On the other hand, there are also non-intended uses that are strictly prohibited, such as creating factual or true representations of people or events. This approach is taken to ensure the responsible and ethical use of the technology. Now let's talk about the capabilities of Stable Video Diffusion. The model comes in two versions, SVD and SVD-XT. SVD can transform still images into 576x kind tone 24 videos with 14 frames, while SVD-XT takes it up a notch with 24 frames. Both versions can generate videos at customizable frame rates between 3 and 30 frames per second. The white paper released alongside Stable Video Diffusion showcases the impressive quality of the generated clips. By analyzing the cherry-picked samples, it's clear that Stability AI has achieved high-quality video outputs comparable to other leading video generation models. However, it's essential to acknowledge that Stable Video Diffusion does have its limitations. Stability AI is transparent about this, stating that the model cannot generate videos without motion or slow camera pans, be controlled by text, render text legibly, or consistently generate realistic faces and people. Despite these limitations, Stability AI is confident that the models can be extended and adapted for various use cases. For example, generating 360-degree views of objects is one area where Stable Video Diffusion shows great potential. Looking ahead, Stability AI has big plans for the future of Stable Video Diffusion. They are already working on developing additional models that build upon and extend the capabilities of SVD and SVD-XT. Additionally, they have teased a text-to-video tool that will bring text prompting to the models on the web. The ultimate goal for Stability AI is commercialization, as they believe Stable Video Diffusion has vast applications in advertising, education, entertainment, and beyond. With investors increasing the pressure, Stability AI is determined to make a significant impact in the AI industry. And that wraps up our overview of the incredible Stable Video Diffusion by Stability AI. It's truly remarkable how AI technology continues to push boundaries and revolutionize the way we create and interact with videos. If you found this video informative and exciting, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow AI enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating updates on the latest AI advancements. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious, stay innovative, and stay AI-some.